Alrighty, now that we've got our peppermint marshmallows in with our butter and our peppermint extract, I am just gonna give this a good stir and get this all melted and incorporated. Alrighty, I've got some Cocoa Rice Krispies, and I'm just gonna add these right in on top of that beautiful peppermint marshmallow. We are gonna need a decent amount, and now I'm just gonna come in here and start folding and incorporating this with our pink, beautiful marshmallows. It's gonna go so well, the peppermint, the chocolate. Now, I love these tins. I love receiving these cookies for Christmas, but you know, afterwards, you're like, what do I do with this tin? And it's tough because obviously they're great. They make a great sewing kit. You can store things in them. But I also thought this would be so fun to repurpose them and make even more new fun treats. And then you can share this with your family and friends. You can re-gift it, recycle, reduce, reuse. And then it's just a sweet treat way to save the planet. Alrighty, we're just gonna get this over to the counter. All right, we let this cool just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna come in with a measuring cup, and I've got a few of my leftover cookies here. And I'm just going to take my little meat masher and mash these up. Now I know sometimes you don't have any leftovers, but I had a few. And you know what? This just kind of helps them like get, again, reused, especially if you had them open for a little bit. Oh, that is just so cute. It'll remind everyone what the original tin and gift was used for. That's adorable. Now I'm going to use my same measuring cup, and I'm going to use some dark chocolate melting wafers. And I'm just going to melt these up, stirring them every 30 seconds. All right, our chocolate is ready to go. I'm just going to drizzle this all on top of those delicious cookie crumbs. We're doing such a fun incorporation of peppermint, chocolate, and our cookies, transforming them. Now I'm gonna use just a little bit of this fun red dusting pretty sugar. Put that right on top. You could also put cookies into your Rice Krispie treat if you would like. I'm just gonna place my lid right on top of my tin here. And now I have some red festive holiday ribbon. Look how pretty this is gonna be. This is gonna really take this to the next level. Gorgeous. Have you ever seen these cookies outside of the Christmas season? I feel like that's the only time I see them, but y'all let me know if I am mistaken. So pretty. And now I will just cut my ribbon. I like to do this part where you fold it in half. Just cut it like a little fishtail. Perfect. All right, y'all. Time to take this to the White Elephant Exchange.